Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make kimchi noodles at home. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You will need 100 grams of delicious kimchi, 200 grams of your favorite noodles, and 1 tablespoon of spicy gochujang. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of kimchi juice, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 clove of minced garlic, and a half teaspoon of sugar. These simple items are the foundation for a fantastic meal. Now let's create the heart of our dish, the flavorful sauce. In a small bowl, combine the kimchi juice, gochujang, soy sauce, sesame oil, minced garlic, and sugar. Whisk these ingredients thoroughly until they are perfectly blended and smooth. This ensures every bite will be bursting with balanced flavor. Don't forget to taste it and adjust the sweetness or spice to perfectly match your personal preference. This step is key to a truly customized dish. Next, we will cook our main components. Begin by boiling 200 grams of your chosen noodles according to the package directions until they are perfectly al dente. While your noodles are cooking, heat a pan and sauté 100 grams of kimchi for about 2 minutes, allowing its flavors to deepen. Once the noodles are cooked, drain them well and add them directly into the pan with the sautéed kimchi. This sets us up for the final delicious combination. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for a truly satisfying meal. Pour the delicious, prepared sauce directly over the noodles and kimchi in the pan. Gently toss everything together, ensuring that every single noodle strand is evenly coated with that incredible sauce. For a beautiful finish and an extra layer of flavor, garnish your kimchi noodles with some freshly chopped green onions and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.